In this video, you'll learn how to post ads on Binance P2P. By following this guide, you will be able to create advertisements for buying or selling cryptocurrencies effectively. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you have successfully entered your credentials and accessed your account, navigate to the top menu and select the Trade option. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose P2P Trading. This action will redirect you to the P2P trading platform where you can manage your advertisements. Next, look for the button labeled Post Ad or Create Ad on the P2P trading page. This button is typically prominently displayed, making it easy to find. After clicking this button, you'll be prompted to choose whether you want to buy or sell cryptocurrency. Make your selection according to your intention. Subsequently, you will also need to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to trade and the fiat currency you want to use for the transaction. After selecting your preferred options, you will move on to setting the conditions for your advertisement. This includes specifying the price at which you are willing to buy or sell, along with setting any limits for the transaction. Additionally, you will need to choose your preferred payment methods from the available options. Take your time to review all the details you have entered. Ensuring everything is correct is crucial, as this information will be visible to potential buyers or sellers. Once you have confirmed that all the details are accurate, look for the option to publish your advertisement. Clicking this will finalize your ad, making it visible to other users on the Binance P2P platform. Depending on the current activity on the platform, it may take a moment for your ad to appear in the listings, so be patient during this process. You've now successfully posted your advertisement on Binance P2P. Remember to monitor your ad for any inquiries or offers from other users, as prompt communication can enhance your trading experience.